When I first heard the news about the upcoming Magic V6, I honestly felt a bit confused. After all, the previous model, the Magic V5, had only been released about 8 months earlier. Even today, the overall experience of the V5 still feels premium and far from outdated. Launching a new generation so quickly made me wonder if Honor was simply making small, routine updates. But after spending some hands-on time with the Magic V6, all those doubts quickly disappeared. Let me begin with something I noticed right away during the unboxing. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. To my surprise, the outer display of the Magic V6 didn't come with a pre-installed screen protector. At first, I was worried that the screen might easily pick up scratches during daily use. However, after using it for more than half a month, the display still looks flawless. The reason behind this confidence is that the outer screen continues to use Honor's well-known diamond glass, which has now been upgraded to what they call a true flying screen. It features a brand new 5600 layer high-precision silicon carbide film that greatly improves durability, offering impressive resistance to scratches, wear, and even accidental drops. The display also includes anti-reflective technology, making the image appear deeper and clearer even when using the narrow outer screen. Under strong sunlight outdoors, the screen remains bright and easy to read. During the Chinese New Year holiday, I took a lot of photos in Guangzhou under intense sunlight, and both the camera preview and gallery remained clear and comfortable to view. Another highlight is the bezel control on the outer display. As you can see, it's extremely well managed. With its ultra-high screen-to-body ratio, the visual effect is stunning, and right now it actually holds the highest screen-to-body ratio among foldable phones. The inner display also receives a major upgrade this time. It finally adopts the long-awaited UTG glass, and together with a new plasma polishing process, the screen surface feels smoother and more refined to the touch. Both the inner and outer displays maintain excellent display quality overall, with sharp clarity and accurate colors. The outer screen reaches a peak brightness of 2000 nits, while the inner screen can hit 1300 nits, which makes outdoor usage effortless. Honor also continues its strong focus on eye protection. The phone features 43,320Hz ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming along with natural color display, internal natural light eye protection, AI motion-soothing display, and many other eye care technologies. Even after extended viewing, the display remains comfortable on the eyes. To be honest, the improvements made to the display alone already exceeded my expectations. But the surprises don't stop there. Last year, the Magic V5 shocked the industry with its massive 6100 mAh battery. This time, the 1 terabyte version of the Magic V6 takes things even further by using the new generation Qinghai Lake Blade battery, boosting the capacity all the way to 7,150 mAh. That easily places it ahead of most competitors. In our testing, the phone managed more than 7 hours of screen-on time using only the inner display, clearly outperforming several large foldable phones released last year. It's important to mention that many foldable smartphones take a conservative approach when it comes to performance and battery life, often limiting performance to extend endurance. Honor doesn't follow that strategy. The company keeps the high refresh rate fully enabled to ensure maximum smoothness, which makes the battery life results even more impressive. During the Chinese New Year holiday in Guangzhou, I used the Magic V6 as my primary device. In outdoor temperatures ranging from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius and under strong sunlight, I relied on mobile data and took roughly 400 to 500 photos. Even with such heavy use, the phone still delivered more than 7 hours of screen-on time. When switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi while moving between indoor and outdoor environments, the screen-on time easily surpassed 10 hours, completely eliminating any battery anxiety. It's also worth noting that other storage variants still come with a large 6,850 mAh battery, which is equally impressive. When it comes to charging, the Magic V6 supports 80-watt wired fast charging, In just 15 minutes, the battery can reach around 27%, and a full charge takes roughly an hour, which is quite fast. The phone also supports 66-watt wireless charging. Honor includes a new generation 120-watt gallium nitride fast charger in the box, and it supports multiple fast charging protocols. The adapter is compact and easy to carry, making it a convenient companion for travel or business trips, which is definitely worth praising. What's even more impressive is that despite increasing the battery capacity by more than 1,000 milliamp hours, the Magic V6 still manages to remain incredibly thin and light. The thinnest version, the Snow White model, measures only 4 millimeters when unfolded and just 8.75 millimeters when folded. The lightest version weighs under 220 grams, which is actually lighter than some traditional flagship smartphones. Carrying it every day feels effortless, and when unfolded, the experience becomes even more comfortable. The overall build quality has also been refined, especially with the new Crimson Red version. The color looks instantly elegant and pairs beautifully with the gold accents on the camera module and frame. The anti-horsehair texture on the back panel creates unique visual effects depending on the viewing angle, and it feels smooth and pleasant in the hand. As I mentioned earlier, the high screen-to-body ratio is already a major advantage. If the next generation can push the internal screen-to-body ratio even further, the design would be close to perfect. Of course, the hinge is one of the most critical components in any foldable device. The Magic V6 introduces the new Honor Luban hinge. Built with self-developed 2,800 megapia high-strength steel, the hinge significantly improves overall durability. The new bridge-type hinge structure also reduces the opening ratio, which helps improve crease control on the display. The opening and closing mechanism feels better than the previous generation, with stronger damping that makes it feel solid and reliable without any noticeable looseness. The hinge also supports a wide range of viewing angles. During my time using the device, I didn't encounter any unusual issues, and overall performance has been excellent. In addition, the Magic V6 stands out by supporting the industry's only 4-meter waterproof rating for foldable phones, with both IP68 and IP69 certifications, providing exceptional durability and reliability. As many people already know, Honor's foldable phones have always aimed to deliver a balanced experience across all aspects, and the Magic V6 clearly continues that tradition. Powering the device is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, which is currently the most powerful chip available in this category. In fact, among this year's foldable phones, the Magic V6 is the only one running the fully powered version of this chipset. When you combine that level of performance with the phone's large battery and Honor's aggressive performance tuning, the result is an incredibly smooth everyday experience. Apps open instantly, animations stay fluid, and it's very difficult to notice any lag or frame drops. Even when running demanding games, the phone handles the workload without any real struggle. When it comes to the camera system, Honor didn't sacrifice much despite the Magic V6 being such a thin and lightweight foldable device. The phone still comes with a full triple camera setup that includes a main camera, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera. The primary camera supports aperture stabilization and features a bright f1.6 aperture. For telephoto shots, Honor uses a 64-megapixel OV64B sensor with a relatively large aperture, which may actually make it the most powerful telephoto lens currently found on a foldable phone this year. The ultra-wide camera also uses a solid 50-megapixel sensor. Another important improvement comes from Honor's imaging algorithms. Since the Magic V5 generation, the company has made noticeable progress in computational photography across its entire lineup. On the Magic V6, the triple rear camera system delivers stable results in most shooting scenarios. The preview image quality has improved slightly, and the final photos look balanced and visually pleasing. In many cases, the images are ready to be posted directly to social media without needing any additional editing. If you prefer photos with natural lighting and shadow tones, the built-in texture mode works really well. For those who enjoy more personalized color styles, the AI color tracking feature is especially useful, allowing you to replicate your preferred color style quickly and easily. Honor has also expanded this capability into video recording on the Magic V6. The phone introduces the industry's first AI cinematic color tracking for video, which makes it surprisingly easy for everyday users to capture footage that looks more cinematic and professional. Another interesting feature is the new external screen inspiration-assisted shooting mode. The outer display can show a real-time preview for the person being photographed while also providing pose suggestions and composition guidance. When the subject moves into the recommended position, the Magic V6 automatically uses AI composition to take the shot. Honestly, this feature is incredibly helpful, especially when photographing other people. It almost feels like having a built-in photography assistant. At the very least, it saves me from getting blamed when taking photos of my partner. I also want to give special praise to the telephoto camera. In fact, it's the lens I end up using for most of my photos. The overall telephoto performance is excellent and the image details look very natural. In many situations, it's actually easier to capture good shots with the telephoto lens compared to the main or ultra-wide cameras. Honor clearly shows confidence in this lens with the zoom controls in the camera interface. There's a 6x zoom shortcut, and tapping it again instantly jumps to a 12x zoom equivalent of around 280 millimeters. The impressive part is that even at 12x zoom, the photos still look surprisingly good without needing to zoom in further to inspect details. The telephoto lens also supports a minimum focusing distance of around 10 centimeters. Combined with its high magnification and solid resolution, it can handle macro-style shots quite well. On top of that, the camera supports SEPA 6.5G image stabilization, which makes handheld shooting much more comfortable and stable. Even today, some people still believe foldable phones are more of a niche concept rather than a real necessity in the high-end market. If you start paying attention around you, especially when traveling on high-speed trains or airplanes, you'll notice foldable phones appearing more and more often. The reason is actually quite simple. Compared with traditional slab phones, foldables offer clear advantages when it comes to productivity, and that's why more users are beginning to adopt them. First of all, the size and shape of the inner display are perfect for reading and working with documents. Tasks like browsing emails, reading news, checking stock information, and reviewing files become much more comfortable. The Magic V6 even supports dual-screen stock trading, a feature that currently exists only within the Android ecosystem. On top of that, manufacturers have been developing more software features to take advantage of the large inner display. With the latest Magic OS X, Honor introduces stronger AI productivity tools. For example, the AI meeting assistant called UU Bangji can instantly join a meeting with just one tap after receiving notifications from connected devices such as your phone, smartwatch, or headphones. It can manage the entire meeting process and automatically generate meeting minutes afterward, ensuring that you never miss any key information. UU also has powerful document processing abilities. When the phone receives different types of documents, the system can analyze the layout and reconstruct it directly on the phone. This means you can edit text, tables, and other content right from the device without needing to switch to a computer. The Magic V6 also supports a PC-level 3-screen multitasking mode, allowing 3 apps to run simultaneously. Each app can expand into a larger display area, which makes multitasking much more efficient. For example, when I'm reviewing or editing manuscripts, I can read the document on one screen while chatting with colleagues about revisions, and at the same time, open a browser to search for reference information. These 3 windows can even interact with each other. Text and images can be dragged directly from one app to another, which is extremely convenient for anyone who frequently organizes or summarizes information. Of course, 3-window multitasking itself isn't a completely new concept. What really stands out with the Magic V6 is how well the system optimizes performance in this mode. The phone intelligently allocates performance resources based on which apps are running and how they're being used. Even when handling heavy multitasking, the system remains smooth and stable. This helps avoid the lag and overheating issues that sometimes appear on foldable phones when using the inner display or split-screen modes. Compared with many competitors, this gives the Magic V6 a clear advantage. Another standout feature of Magic OS is its cross-platform connectivity. It's currently the only system that can seamlessly connect with Harmony OS, Windows, and Mac OS devices. This allows the phone to work together with tablets, PCs, and other devices in the ecosystem, which is extremely practical for business professionals. In this area, many competing brands simply don't have the same level of integration. Now it's time for the final summary. What I'm about to say might sound a bit cliché, but it's honestly true. The Honor Magic V6 is one of the benchmark products in the large foldable phone market this year. It delivers a remarkably balanced and complete experience with very few obvious weaknesses. The fully powered flagship performance and the exceptional battery life provided by the massive 7150 mAh battery stand out in particular. For quite some time, this device will likely remain the standard that many competitors aim to match. Honor is also one of the few brands built a strong foundation in the foldable smartphone category. With solid product development and a clear understanding of the market, the company managed to launch the significantly upgraded Magic V6 just 18 months after the Magic V5. That's an impressive pace of innovation. Personally, I feel that only next generation from Honor itself might truly surpass what the V6 has achieved. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. If you're someone who's considering buying a large foldable smartphone, the Honor Magic V6 is definitely a device worth putting on your shortlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.